Stradler, where are you? Get back in your cubicle. I'm not paying you to uncubicle yourself.
Hey friends, so today we're leaving Saddle Mountain. Just getting everything ready and we're starting to pack up. So from here we head to Lake Havasu. The rodeo grounds there is hosting the Xscapers annual bash. So we'll probably shoot a little bit there. Not sure how much, because I'm gonna try and be social a little bit, since I've been out here talking to the dog for a week. Not that he's bad at conversation, he's just, doesn't say a whole lot. All right, that said, we're gonna pack up. I'll see you all in a bit. Bye. Some of you may know, if you've watched the previous video to this one, I did not go to RTR this year. I got pretty much a last minute ticket to the Xscapers annual bash 2019. Now, I joined Xscapers in November, right before I left, and the annual bash was sold out, so I just kind of, figured I'm just gonna, head to that area anyway, probably go to the RTR. I was not feeling the RTR this year. So when a ticket for Xscapers came available, I jumped on it, got it, and I had a blast. What a cool event. What a cool community. There are people of all ages who just aren't quite in retirement slash in bed by 10 o'clock mode. I felt like the old guy a couple times. There was a couple nights where I'm just like, you know what, I don't really feel like singing karaoke, so I'm just going to go hang out with my dog and pass out. And that's exactly what happened. Now the other nights where there was a live band or some other Xscapers themselves perform music, it was awesome. Kyle and Olivia from Drivin' and Vibin', they did a set of music, and I don't know their names, but they go by the Status Crows. They did, I think, 2 sets of music during the week, so it was awesome. There was a big rave car thing at the end of the event to close everything down, and it was crazy. There was lots of free beer, thanks to Brian and the people at Campendium for hosting happy hour one night. I mean, I could sit here and list off people to thank all day long. Travis and Melanie both ran their asses off to make this event happen. That's not to forget their cohort in crime, JP. He was more or less the master of ceremonies, as well as constantly on his feet, taking care of business to make sure that everybody there had a good time. It was an amazing event, and I will definitely be looking to hit up some more Xscapers convergences because they are fun. Yes, the ticket costs a little bit of money. $90 is not a lot for what we got while we were there. Now, I had initially planned on doing a little more documentation of the event, but to be honest, once I got there, I just realized I just want to have fun. I want to kind of unwind, talk to people, network, and not be that guy wandering around pointing a camera at everybody. I pulled my phone out here and there for a couple of things. There's be some short clips coming up.
I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down is the hardest thing. I heard Missy Young sing about her. I heard O'Neal just burn it down. Well, I hope Neil Young will remember. Y'all sing it loud with us. A southern man don't need him around anyhow. Here we go. Sweet home Alabama,
Don't be shy, go ahead.
where the skies are so blue. Sweet home Alabama, Lord, I'm coming home to you.
Fluffy Bunny.
Don't eat them.
Fluffy Bunny. All right, 2 more each.
Don't eat them. You can't eat them.
Don't eat them. Yeah, you cannot swallow them. We're gonna need a trash can up close to. All right, let's start at this side. Come on. Fluffy Bunny. Fluffy Bunny. Fluffy Bunny. Fluffy Bunny. Can everybody understand that? All right, 2 more. The Wendy, the Jason. Thank you.
Come on, Paulo, you do it. You can do it.
There we go. All right, here we go. Let's start back here. Wendy, Fluffy Bunny.
Let's go, Paulo.
I think Wendy is out. Here, spit in the trash can. Come, Jason, Fluffy Bunny. We'll see how it compares. Fluffy Bunny. I think Jason's out. And he looks so relieved. One more each. Here you go. We got Eric and Paulo. We got Texas versus Brazil. Wait, isn't that a restaurant? It is, yeah. All right, Eric, take it away. Fluffy bunny. Please don't spit on me, Paulo. Fluffy bunny. All right, 10 marshmallows. Paulo, you're up. Fluffy bunny. Fluffy bunny. Fluffy bunny. I think we're still going. One more. I don't want to touch your hand. Here.
Oh my God.
Make some room. That's right. All right, you ready? Eric, you ready? You're first. Fluffy bunny. Fluffy bunny. Fluffy bunny. The crowd goes quiet. Fluffy bunny. Eric. Fluffy bunny. One more. Oh, Paulo, are you giving up? There.
One more.
There you go. Oh, gross. There we go. Eric is first. Fluffy bunny. Fluffy bunny.
Come on, one more time. I said, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? I want to hear you guys. Don't stop believing. She loves people. Don't stop.
Nobody saw that, Brandon. Ever been to an RV rally like this? Bob? Xscapers 2019!
And as you saw, I pulled out the drone. That was basically an overhead of the full event. It was held at the Lake Havasu City Rodeo Grounds. It was plenty of room. We got to dump our tanks before we left. Yeah, they thought of everything. It was well run. It was an amazing time. I don't know what else I can say. If you're working age RVer, whether you're full-time or not, if you get out and, you know, adventure with your RV, but you'd like to meet up with some other like-minded people, learn. There was seminars all week, starting in the morning. Oh, dog walk. I can't remember the people to thank, but you know who you are. I know Tommy was part of it from thedogisdriving.com, but the main dog guy, I can't remember his name. Anyway, yeah, dog walks every morning, except for the one day where it just poured rain. We got one day of this like serious like torrential rain. They got more rain that one day than they did the whole previous year in that area. The dog walks, they had different ones. First day we just went kind of over the hills and then ended up at the dog park. Rollins got to run on the grass, which he was really excited about because previous to that we were out in the desert and it's kind of rocky and, you know, a little hard on his feet. So, yeah, the dog walks were amazing. The seminars were amazing. Everybody that put on a seminar did a great job. They were informative. There was prize giveaways, Dometic, Battleborn batteries, which has me thinking of lithium batteries when I get a little more of this coming in. Just, yeah, if you don't learn something while you're there, you weren't paying attention, or you drank too much that night and forgot. How about I leave it at that? Because I'm pretty sure that's happened to people. You know, I really had a good time at that seminar, but I got, you know, a little too twisted that night, and now I don't remember. So that's one more reason to go back and do it all again next year, right? Rollins and I are at Plumosa Road. There's many RVers out here because it is the start of the Big Tent Show in Quartzsite. I may film a little bit of wandering around through that, as I am now officially on the I'm going to renovate the RV side of that fence. I was on the fence. I'm going to record some video about what I want to do in there, but yeah, it's time to de-granify. Is that a word? De-grandmafy the RV. So that's going to happen. Those are coming. Got other stuff coming. I'll talk to you all soon. Thanks for watching. Later.
It's like working with a monkey.